React 19 has a new feature called Actions that makes working with forms and data updates easier. Before Actions, we had to handle a lot of things ourselves like pending states, errors, updating data based on assumptions, and handling requests sequentially. Actions fix this by allowing us to use asynchronous functions in a simpler way. It handles all that complex stuff in the background. Actions will also integrate with HTML tag, form, and it will replace the onSubmit event. Action will become an HTML form attribute and it can pass a function to the DOM elements like form, input, and button. Here is the code snippet for understanding actions. In this code snippet, we use the onSubmit event which executes the search operation. But since React form relies on the events, this search method runs only on the client side. But in React 19, we can replace the events by the action attributes. So here the onSubmit event will be replaced with the action. And one other important feature of React 19, that is server components, allows action to execute on the server side also. The function which will pass through the action attribute will decide the data to submit either on the client or server side. In this case, search operation could be applied on the server side. It allows developers to write synchronous and asynchronous tasks with the help of actions and enables seamless data submission and state updates. Actions also come with some other hooks that enhance functionality such as use transition, use optimistic, use action state. We will surely discuss these new features in some other informative lectures.